Yes, welcome back, traders. Just going to give you a little insight on this Flux Power Zone. It's pretty amazing how they manipulate the market, and these moves are predetermined before um, these moves even happen. For instance, I have these cycle markers on here. This is the Aussie dollar, and you're going to see in the video, I'm going to say this currency pair is going to start dipping right here. It's crossing the zero line, and it's going to get a huge bearish candle. And this move I already had set up previously. You'll see at the end of the video where I did my analysis where I was looking to sell the pair or even buy the pair or stay in a trade until a certain time. And like I said, these signals are a week old. So this signal's a week old. This is a week old at the time. So this was my last week's trades, and I'll update you with the video. You'll be pretty amazed how this works, and also saved me from taking a trade, another short trade on the Great British Pound JPY with the power zone. It was going up, and I wound up taking it long for 97 pips. So there's some insight on this, very eye-opening, and check it out. Now I will update you with the video. Okay, right here, I think we're still going down. I missed that. I'm going to grab 14 pips really quick. We don't need a big stop like that, so we're going to pull it in. Let's see. We get this bar here. We're going to be pushing down soon. Once the next bar comes through, we're going to get a push down, then we're going to get a nice flush down right here on this candle. Right there. And then we're going to pull back, and then we're going to just slowly continue on its way down to 1125, and then that's when we want to get out of the trade, or even possibly reverse the position. Yeah. So I'm looking into the future. Yeah, that's probably, we're probably going to get out around this time, 1125. So we got plenty of time now. It's only 9:01. So you figure we've got a few hours for this thing to go down. I hear my computer in the other room going off. Okay, the JPY is going to be taking a dip soon in about 10 minutes. So let's take a look at that. I don't know how far it's going to go down. Ballistic here, so that means I'll take a dump. So yeah, we just scored 20 pips, as you can see here. Yeah, this power zone, I'm telling you, there's so many. Like I said, keep your mind open because there's so many other things out there that actually work. There's so many strategies, different strategies, however you want to call it. I mean, these things work. And you just have to apply your education to them. That's all. Okay, so we're up 20. We booked another 20 pips, and now we're up 24 on the other unit. What I said, we're going to get flushed down because we're going to start breaking the zero line here. But the JPY is going to dip soon. Let's get to the JPY because I see the power zone. Let me pull the power zone in for you. Here we go, power zone. Here's the power zone. I predicted the move that we're currently up in was going up here. And then now we're going up here. We're going to take a slight drop down. And then we're going to drop until we get to this point, and then we're going to start going back up. So this could be even a buy opportunity as well. Because you can see the histogram is still going up. I mean, the line chart is still going up. You got some bouncing around here, but it's definitely going to still go up. And I'm looking for now the CAD should be taking a run up as well. This is going to go down. The CAD's going to go up. It's probably already started already. Let's see where the CAD is. Oh God, are you serious? Look how accurate software is. Let's see, Ninja. Look how accurate. I can't. I'm gonna have to pull one of these off here. Okay, let me just put this up on the other screen. Look how accurate this power zone flux indicator is. Just unreal. And these moves, let me tell you, these moves are a week in advance. It's already predetermined. No news or any of that stuff. It's already predetermined. You buy down here. You look for a buy coming here at 850. It's going up. Look at this huge bullish candle. Just I mean, when you're out there trading and you're like clueless sometimes when you're like, why did I just get stopped out? It's because they're manipulating the market. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. How do I know that this currency pair is going to go up at 850? And then it's going to have a dip over here. It's a little bit off on this candle, but it did go down. But how do I know it's going to dip? I mean, I could buy right here. It's just unbelievable. Same with the Aussie dollar. I knew it was going to go down, so I sold it. The power zone's telling me it's going down. It's not 100%, but again, I'm going to tell you that for the time, it's right way more than it's wrong. And especially with the US dollar Canadian and the Aussie dollar and the pound dollar, the euro we have to put crude oil over it, and then that kind of makes the signals more accurate. But these pairs are, I mean, they're on the money. It is on the money. So again, like I said, a lot of times you'll get stopped out and you're like, wow, what happened? This is a predetermined move already figured. This is a week-old signal right here. A week-old 850 because my computers are. This is a week old. Okay, and I could tell you when the next sell cycle is coming up on the big histogram. It's in 164 minutes, which is, I believe, it's right here. Now with this histogram, you don't see a big dip or anything like that, so it's probably gonna be a high point, but you're gonna get some back and forth movement. I mean, it's just, it's just unbelievable. You think you're playing with, they're playing fair, but they're not. Trust me. As you can see here with these markers and stuff. Well, I don't want to get into a rant, but I'm just, making you aware of, just, as the old saying, that movie, always protect yourself. All right, traders. So, I will give you an update back on some of these other trades that I'm currently in. Let's check the Aussie dollar, see where we're at. Aussie dollar. Okay, so we're up 18 pips, and we got the sell cycle here coming with the black candle, so we should be heading down. We just got to cross this line and close below it. Okay, traders. So I will give you an update back on these trades. Guess right here will be the move here, and we're gonna get a stutter step and then boom down. And this is where I want to exit my position down in this area. Then it's gonna work its way back up until 2250. Excuse me. All right, so we look at that. Let's see if we can find some more trades here. Here we go again. Actually 850. You get 825. You're gonna get a spike down, and then a rally up. This is probably news. All right, so let's convert line here. We want to get on this move because this looks like the bigger move here. We want to get on the upswing, and then once we get here, it's gonna be 1050. That's about an hour. And then maybe we want to take it down. We want to sell here, and we're gonna get some peaks up, and then eventually work our way all the way down here. And we want to exit here. Excuse me, allergies. Okay, so that's what I see. The Canadian dollar looks a little more promising than the Aussie dollar, and in terms of breakout potential, more pips, I think. Here we go, 925 again. So I'm going to set up some kind of automated 825, some kind of automated system. Well, I'll pull nasty back right here. Gotta watch out for this. Pulls back pretty nasty. You know what? Let me use the other. Oops. Excuse myself. Move. Move. Let's go with chart markers here. Some up move here, but then you're gonna get an up move, we're gonna look for some down moves here. Definitely want to take it down here. This is gotta be a down move. Yeah, it got some good action here. Definitely. Definitely look like the Canadian dollar might be on the longer, with the trend. You're gonna get, you can see how the little choppiness here. It's got a lot of chop, but the overall, it's gonna work its way up, and then oh, this is nice. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. What day is this? This is beautiful. Okay, so let's get chart markers. And beautiful. Okay. That's it down. Actually, this is up here. It's gonna work its way back up. We gotta install an indicator. Let's do that. This is a little annoying thing about Ninja. Hopefully extending the other one. Withdrawing. Alright, traders. It's a lot easier to use the, when you have the panel like this. This used to be like my MTF4 charting. You got all those tools right there. You don't have to click into a menu. That's a little annoying. What Ninja? So let me just put the down moves here. Down move there. Lines right up with this Mace Stochastic here. As you can see here, it's a peak out. It's going to go down. Then let's see, pull back at the hump. Getting another down move here. This bar. But I'm not worried, I'm concerned about that. That down move is going to be here. That's where we want an initial sell. We only want to watch out for the pullback here with this. Put the mark the green arrows. Once you have this particular software, and you go over it, and it's pretty powerful in the sense of recognizing moves before they even happen. Let's see. Let's get a peek up. Oh, actually, that's it. So as far as we can go, it's a week. So this is going to be, today is, yeah, so we won't see this stuff for a while, but as we go back 7 days, as far as we can go. Alright, so I mark off my charts. I got my strategy ready to rumble, and let's see if we can mark up some more stuff here. As you can see, dollar Canadian is definitely going to be pulling up, so that means the Aussie dollar will be going down. Here, so maybe a slight down move here. Pull back. Maybe an up move there. Down move coming there. Another down move. There's a nice peak down move here. I don't know. And then there's that valley right there. So I don't know how hard it's going to go down, but you want to be aware of it. Alright, so let's see. let's mark the days off. So today is Tuesday. So this is the whole day for Tuesday. Next day, Wednesday. Good action here. Here is, and then here is Thursday, which is always the best day, training day. It's kind of choppy for Thursday. Interesting. And then Friday. Friday, right here. It's not bad. And then, looks like Sunday. This is correct. I gotta see when we get here, because this is where I really, really want to trade in this area here, all the way down here. Yeah, it doesn't have a timestamp, so yeah, this is pushing it, because it would have a timestamp down here, but it's not. Probably by like tomorrow, it'll calculate. All right, so I'm ready to go. The Aussie dollar. I mean, with the USD Canadian, which has been paying me very well, using the Flux Power Zone. Okay, all right. Let's go over to, let's see what else we got here. We got a pound Aussie. So let's go. You know what? I guess Market Trade is talking about the. Let's go over to the Great British Pound JPY. They're talking about the Great British Pound JPY. Okay, I have the power zone on the 5-minute. So, wow, I got some crazy action on this thing. Let's see if I get to dissect this mess. Pull back. This might be a nice. I don't know how many pips we may go up here. Go here as well. Just some crazy action here. Still above the zero line. Doesn't chop here. Boy, looks like some tough trading to me. That's what it looks like to me. Let me see if I find anything significant. Let's see a sell here. Maybe sell here and here at 5:30 a.m. till 9:50. Bought an opportunity here. Oops. Sell. Definitely don't want to confuse me. Let's go. We got a buy an opportunity here, which is there, and then sell opportunity here. Welcome back, traders. That's the end of the video. And as for the Aussie dollar, it was telling it was going down, and the Aussie dollar dropped well over 100 and some pips down. I think the low point is here at 76.92, and in the video, the currency pair was as high as 78.20 something. All right, so now this is the Aussie dollar. So I'm looking into the future of any kind of future movements here. You can see it's actually going up because the histogram is on its way up. So the next bar after this one closes, it's going to go down here, then it's going to go up some, and it's kind of choppy. So that's, I'm not even taking any of these trades at the moment until I see something significant that's really gonna work. All right, so let's go to the Canadian dollar, and here's the Canadian dollar. This had a sell cycle here, and here's your cross of the zero line right here, big bearish candle, and to the south. I made I think yeah, sold the Canadian earlier today. I was real busy, so I couldn't really trade. So I made like 20 pips on one account, another 20 pips on another, and then 5 pips positive on the trailer. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at the few because that's some pretty big moves. This move right here at this 12.25 is gonna be 11.25. This move I may take later on today. So once I do my analysis, I don't have to, you know, I don't have to trade until I get up to this point. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be looking for something to happen, in this area at this time. You remember, you always got to do your analysis. You just don't jump into a sell marker, or you got to see if you get over a formation, break the trend line or something. Okay, so we want to observe this time here for a possible up move on the dollar Canadian. That's as far as I can go back. And then once this Canadian starts going down, then my peak low, just say if I was going to trade this, I need those markers. Oh yeah, up move. Let's see. Maybe this candle would be the lowest because you want to look for the lowest bar, and then on an up move on the histogram, then you want to look for, like the lowest point here, the low point, and then the opposite way, you're gonna get a push down here. I need to do the chart markers. And then here, you're going to get a push down. The currency pair is going to start going down. And then it's going to go down, peak down here, and then come up a little bit on this bar. And then wick its way back down. And then finally, this is probably going to be an exit point. So I'll be looking at this later on today. Alright, traders. So if you need any more information on any of these tools, just let me know. Alright, I'm out.